Now if you're currently on the TCL Flip 3 and for whatever reason you set up password and you forget what it is, or maybe this belonged to someone else, give it to you and you can't even figure out what the password or the pin, in this video I will show you how to hard reset. We're going to do factory reset, wipe everything, and also remove this passcode. This is Variety Stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. What we are about to do will be factory reset, means you're going to lose everything on the phone. So if you have data, pictures, you will lose. I just want to pay your attention before you start doing the hard reset. Now to do this, first you have to make sure to shut the phone completely off by clicking on the power key. You guys are going to see this red key. Go ahead and press hold, and you're going to get pop up on the screen says power off. So we need the phone to be completely power off. Now once the phone's completely powered off, we need to use two keys. First will be the volume up, and also we need the power key, which is the same key we hold on to power off the device. So let's go ahead and do it. We need to press at these two keys together at the same time. Once you see the TCL logo appears on the screen, you have to release from the power and keep hold on the volume up. So let's go ahead and do it right now. Power and volume up. Now once the logo appears, remove just only on the power and keep holding the volume up. And immediately the phone will take us to the recovery menu over here, and we got a lot of options. Now what we need to do, we need to navigate through the D-pad or the volume up down key, whatever you prefer. I prefer to go with the D-pad. I feel it's easier. Now if you press on OK, it's not going to do anything. You need to use the power key instead to select. And also we have to make sure we are highlighting wipe data factory reset, and then to select this option, press the power key. We're going to receive confirmation or cancel. We have also to select factory data reset by going down on the D-pad. To select this option, press on the power key, and the phone is going to start do the formatting. Once it's done, it's going to take us back to reboot system now. This is the option I need. Press the power key to select. Now the phone will start do hard reset. It could take up to 3 to 4 minutes to complete, and the phone will be fresh as new. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here for Variety Stick. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.